In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Wix header and footer. To begin, go to the top of your Wix editor and click directly on the header area of your canvas. Once you do that, the header will become active and you will see the selection box around it. This is important because it tells Wix that you want to edit the header itself rather than the content inside the page. Next, move to the inspector panel on the right side and open the design settings. Here you can change the overall look of the header by choosing a new fill color or adjusting the background opacity. This is a simple way to make your site feel more polished and better matched to your branding. If you want a cleaner look, lowering the opacity can help create a softer effect. If you want something more bold, a solid color can make the header stand out. After that, go to the left side and click the Add Elements icon. From there, you can drag in items like text boxes, button shapes, or an image logo. This is where you can build out the content of your header and make it more useful for visitors. As you place elements, try to keep the layout balanced and easy to read. Once your header content is in place, return to the inspector panel and open the position settings. You can choose between default, sticky, or pinned. Default keeps the header in its normal place on the page. Sticky keeps it visible as visitors scroll. Pinned allows it to stay fixed in a more specific way. Choose the option that best fits how you want people to navigate your site. When the header is done, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click inside the footer area. Just like with the header, this selects the footer so you can start editing it directly. To resize the footer, drag the bottom edge sizing handle or enter a specific pixel height in the inspector panel on the right. This gives you more control if you need extra space for links or text. Finally, click Add Elements again on the left and place text rows into the footer for things like copyright information or legal policy page links. Keep the footer neat and organized so visitors can quickly find important information. That covers everything you need to know.